Welcome to the Bull Run Bootcamp. Before we get started, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share Big Guy content with your fellow Chads on social media. We're diving into the world of self-custody wallets and crypto. If you're curious about how to keep your crypto assets safe and under your control, you're in the right place. Let's explore what self-custody wallets are and take a closer look at some popular examples. So, what is a self-custody wallet? Think of it as a secure digital vault where you store your crypto. Unlike exchanges where your assets are kept by a third party, a self-custody wallet puts you in control. This means you hold the keys to your crypto, making it more secure and private. Let's dive into some popular self-custody wallets and explore their features and benefits. Coinbase Wallet is a great starting point for beginners. It's separate from the Coinbase exchange, so you manage your assets directly. Here's what makes it special. Number 1, integration with Coinbase. If you use Coinbase for trading, the Coinbase Wallet makes it easy to transfer funds and to interact with your assets. It offers seamless access to Coinbase's ecosystem while giving you control over your private keys. Number 2, user-friendly interface. It's designed for simplicity, making it accessible even if you're new to crypto. You can manage various types of crypto assets, from Bitcoin to ETH to ERC20 tokens. Number 3, built-in dApp browser. Coinbase Wallet includes a built-in browser for decentralized applications. You can interact with DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, and more directly from the wallet. Next up is MetaMask. MetaMask is popular among Ethereum users. Here's what you should know. Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. MetaMask specializes in Ethereum and its associated tokens. It's perfect for interacting with ETH-based dApps, from decentralized exchanges to DeFi platforms. Moving on to Phantom Wallet. Phantom Wallet is designed specifically for the Solana blockchain. Here's what makes it stand out. Number 1, Solana integration. Phantom is tailored for Solana, supporting Solana-based tokens and dApps. It's an excellent choice if you're active in the Solana ecosystem. Number 2, user experience. It provides a sleek, intuitive interface, making it easy to manage your Solana assets and participate in Solana DeFi and NFT markets. Finally, let's talk about Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is known for versatility and wide range of supported crypto. Here's what you need to know. Trust Wallet supports a broad range of crypto, including Bitcoin and ETH, along with many others. It's a great option if you hold diverse assets. To sum it up, self-custody wallets like Coinbase Wallet, MetaMask, Phantom, and Trust Wallet offer you control over your crypto assets, each with its own unique features and benefits. Thanks for watching. We hope this helps you understand options for self-custody wallets and how they can keep your crypto safe and accessible.